You don't need validation. You're addicted to it. And the worst part? It feels like normal thinking. Every time you hesitate before speaking, every time you re-edit a message, every time you wonder, what will they think? That's not insecurity. That's a loop your brain learned. Your mind believes one thing. If they approve, I'm safe. So you don't act first. You wait for permission. You can't think your way out of this. You need a system that breaks the loop instantly. 3 steps. Notice, replace, act. Notice the hesitation. That split-second pause before action. That's the pattern, not you. The pattern asking for control. The moment you notice it, you interrupt it. Replace the question, not, what will they think, but, what do I want to say or do? This is where you take back control. Now act before your brain negotiates again. No editing, no overthinking, no permission, just action. When you post, post. When you speak, speak. When you work, finish. Not perfectly, just directly, because perfection is just fear wearing a mask. You're not becoming a confident person. You're becoming someone who doesn't wait. That's the entire shift. Try this today. Do one thing without asking for approval and don't tell anyone you did it. That silence is where freedom starts.